Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I purchased this last week and thought I would start it because I have been so excited to do this. This is the knockoutnine. It's brought to us by Luna Lolly, also Brown Skin Girl and the Canny Tally. It's a version of Shut the Box. You play one line at a time, roll 2 dice and cross off either 1 or 2 numbers that add up to the total. For example, if you roll a 2 and 4, totaling 6, you could cross off 1 and 5, 2 and 4, or 6. And then there's a version 2 as well. It's as above, but you can cross out up to 3 numbers instead of 2. First of all, this is the balance of the £1 coins that I changed up. There was £194 in the coins, and my total spend out of this £194 is £79. So I have 115 left. Let's check it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, 15. Right? So let's get started with this. I was so excited to do this. I purchased it as a printable download because I just didn't have any patience to wait. Right, so let's get going. These are my new dice that I got. I got a packet of those from Amazon. I'm building on my dice, so wish me luck. Right, that's 8. Loving that. Try and get out all the high numbers. And that's 1 and a 5, that's 6. I really want to get a 9. Please let me get a 9, get that out of the way. That's 4 and 3, that's 7. Not bad, not bad. Let's do this 9. That's 8, so we can do 5 and 3 for 8. Great. And let's go again. That's 6, so that's 4 and 2. And let's go again. That's 6, so I'm out. Right, so that's 9 and 1 is 10. That's £10. And let's do another line and see how it goes. That's 8. Six. 6 again. 4 and 2. So let me do 5 and 1. That's a 4. 3 and 1. 6. Ooh, nope, I'm out. I've only got the 3 and 2, 7 or 9. So that's 9, 10, 16, 19, 20, 21. Ooh, that's 20. I'll just put that there so I can get some pound coins. So I'll do 1. Right. That was a lot. I'll do 1 more. That's 5 and 3, that's 8. That's 5 and 6, 11. That's 9 and 2. Get that 9 out of the way. Ooh, 7. Eight. I'm done. Oh no. 5 and 3. Great. That's 8. Yes. 6 and 2. That's 8. Great. That's 2 ones and I'm out. That's 6 and 4 is 10, 11. Let's just put the 10 there, or take a 20 and I owe it 1. So I'll just get the £1 coins out as I go along. And I think that's done for this week. And let's see what in total. £42 in total. I'll just put the 2 £1 coins in. That's £42. That is not bad. I'm just going to write this at the back. 42. That is not bad. I enjoyed that. Really did. Perfect. So that's my knockout 9, and I will be playing this next week. I've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75 left. I'm going to add this to my saving challenges for the end of the week. If you are interested in one of these savings challenges, definitely check out Luna Lolly on Etsy. If you did like this game, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.